Okay.
Piano? You know they used to teach piano, right?
I cannot open mine. Thanks. I can piano. There's so much good.
Who gave you that?
I don't know. You? Oh, thank you, oh my God.
I don't know. Magic.
Oh, it's a magician. It's a magic kit. I gave that.
Yeah, you can't taste it.
Okay.
I gave that to you.
What you got?
Where is it?
Can you open our present?
That's it for tonight.
No, that's it for tonight.
Yeah, Amanda. Open it up, please. Stop
You
even.
gotta have something for tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, gonna have to Kathy to teach you how to play that.
Teach you what?
Grandma, Mom knows too. She can teach you.
Yeah.
Got it, Amanda?
All right, yes.
Yeah. How do we get it out?
Show it to me.
That's a good question. Very carefully.
No.
That's a cool one, Chance. Now you can play with me. I can play my drums.
Oh,
You play
yeah.
the keyboard.
It's a digital. Yeah, you have to be very careful with this.
We can jam out.
Can we get the batteries in?
You're not in the house.
Look at this.
I see.
Look at this.
What is it, man?
Yeah. What?
I go, do you know what
Sorry.
it is? She goes, no.